Welcome to Kids Quiz Zone, Olympiad. Question 1. What comes after 49? Question 2. Which number is the smallest? Question 3. 8 plus 7 equals? Question 4. 15 to 6 equals? Question 5. Which number is greater than 36 but less than 40? Question 6. How many tens are there in 60? Question 7. Find the missing number 12, 14, __, 18. Question 8. If you have 10 apples and eat 3, how many are left? Question 9. Which shape has 4 equal sides? Question 10. What is half of 20? Question 11. 4 plus ___ equals 10. Question 12. Which number comes between 58 and 60? Question 13. 5 tens equals? Question 14. Which day comes after Monday? Give me all answers. Thank you.